What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevy Malibu remote key fob. This Chevrolet Malibu key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade out. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. So in the space where that blade flipped out of, what I like to do is get a couple fingers in there like this, and then put my thumb down here, and then just kind of peel that back like that. Now we see our battery right here, and you may be able to get this out with your finger. If you can just kind of get a fingernail on the side of that battery, a lot of times you'll be able to get it out. But I'm just going to grab a small flathead screwdriver and just get on the edge of that battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, with the battery with the plus side up. And taking a look at this holder, you can see this side right here kind of has a flat edge to it, or a flat side to it. That's the side I'm going to tuck in first. Just tuck it in there like that, and then press it down. Then we can snap the back cover on, put the blade back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.